Okay, Tyler, I'll try to show you a shortcut on how to solve a proportion in that pixel puzzle. Okay, you were having trouble with? Okay, first thing you want to keep in mind, a proportion is just two equal fractions. Okay, two fractions that are equal to each other. Okay, let's just look at one. Let's look at 6 over 8 is a fraction that's equal to 3 over 4. Okay, you could reduce. You could divide the top and the bottom of 6/8 by 2 to get 3 over 4, because that kind of proves that the two fractions are equal. But there's something really interesting when you have two equal fractions. If you multiply these two sets of numbers, sometimes we call this the butterfly method. If I multiply the 6 and the 4 in this problem, I get 24. And if I multiply the other two numbers in the other butterfly wings, the 8 and the 3, I get 24 as well. Okay, that always works. When you have two equal fractions, when you have a proportion, the two sets of cross products in the butterfly wings will always give you the same answer. Okay, let me show you an example, like what you're going to be doing on your pixel. Let's say we had two fractions that are equal, 15 over 10, okay, equals 3 over x. See, we're not going to tell you what that number is. So when they give you a proportion, okay, two equal fractions, and there's part of it missing, and you're trying to find the part that's missing, okay, we're solving it. We're trying to solve it. We're trying to find the missing number. So if this was your problem, like if this was a problem on your pixel assignment, what you would do, you would just think about your two sets of numbers in your butterfly wings. Okay, look for the wings that you have both of the numbers. Okay, see, in this wing, we have both numbers. In the other wing, we're missing one. Okay, so look for the wing that has both numbers in it and multiply those numbers together. Okay, the 10 and the 3. Okay, the 10 times 3 is 30. Well, see, I know 15 times this missing number must also equal 30. So one easy way to find it, I'm doing it the most simplified way. If I know 15 times some number gives me 30 as well, I can take 30 divided by 15 to figure out what that number would be. So 30 divided by 15 would give me 2. Okay, so that means the missing number is 2. Okay, think about this again. That means 15 times 2 is 30, and also 10 times 3 is 30. Okay, so that missing number would have to be 2 because the cross products are equal. You know what? Let's look at one on your pixel assignment. Let's look at problem 2. Okay, 9 over 6 equals x over 10. Okay, let's just write on here. Okay, 9 over 6 is equal to x over 10. Okay, you're trying to solve it. You're trying to find the missing x. Okay, the missing number x. So just think about, and by the way, this is only one way to do it. There's a lot of ways to solve a proportion. I'm trying to show you and what I think is the easiest. Okay, do your butterfly wings. Okay, find the two numbers in your butterfly wing that you have both numbers inside. Okay, this is the wing that you have both numbers. Okay, just multiply those. 9 times 10 is 90. Okay, to find the missing number, I know that 6 times the missing number must also equal 90. So I'm going to take that 90 and I'm going to divide it by the 6. I can't do that in my head, so I'm going to write this out the long way. 6 goes into 9 once. Subtract, get 3, bring down the 0. 6 goes into 30 5 times. So it's got to be 15. Okay, so we took 9 times 10 is 90 because we had both of those numbers in that wing. And then we divide that answer by the number that doesn't have a buddy in the other wing. Okay, you take 9 times 10 is 90 and divide by the 6, and you get the 15, which is the answer. Okay, so when you're doing the pixel assignment, the answer to this problem was 15. This was the second problem. Click on it. Click on the bluish bar. Type in the 15. Okay, click enter. And if you're lucky, you'll get part of the picture to come up, which means that you're right. If you don't get a part of the picture to pop up, that means you made a mistake. Okay, so again, when you solve these, look for the 2 numbers that you have in a wing. Like in this problem, it'd be 2 times 18. Take that answer and divide by the other number, the lonesome number in the other wing, which in this problem would be 12. So you take 2 times 18, figure out what that is, divide by 12, that gives you the answer. Okay, Tyler, keep me posted. Hopefully this trick will make it easier for you, but please keep me posted. Let me know whenever you have questions. I'll try to get back to you sooner.